November 1988. Para. Sir, I rise to reply to the points raised by the members belonging to various political parties during the general discussion on the budget. I thank those who have assured their full support and cooperation for the success of the schemes mentioned in the budget speech. While some members criticized the government for not completing the target set for this year under the 5-year plan, some others referred in detail about the problems in the areas which they represent instead of dealing with the budget in general. I would like to suggest that they may refer to those points when the demands relating to the respective departments come up before the assembly for discussion. That will enable the ministers and the officers concerned to take note of the suggestions and do the needful. Para. The House would have noted that one of the welcome features in this budget is that no fresh taxes have been proposed to be levied. But I am sorry to state that the members in the opposition have not referred to this in their speeches. As far as we are concerned, we have the satisfaction that a tax-free budget has been presented. However, there may be need for levying fresh taxes in the years to come. But I can assure the House that even then such taxes will not be levied so as to affect the poor people. In this connection, I would like to mention the reasons how it has been possible for the government to balance the budget without levying any new taxes. That is because the state government will be getting during the coming financial year a sizable sum of money as its share from the excise and income tax collections based on the recommendations of the 8th Finance Commission. Para. With regard industrial development, I may state that more money has been set apart for starting as many industrial units as possible in rural areas using the resources that are available in and around those places. This is done with a view to reduce the cost of production and at the same time to provide employment for people in the villages. I would appeal to the people to come forward and start industries in their areas, either in the private sector or by forming cooperative societies. On behalf of the government, I assure them that government officers will give necessary assistance in this matter. Priority will be shown in the matter of giving electric connection, and power will be supplied to new industries at reduced rates. There will be tax concessions for 3 years from the date of commencement of production. Para. Members might have noted from the budget that some incentives are proposed to be given to the farmers with a view to increase food production. It will also be seen that quality seeds and fertilizers will be supplied to them at subsidized rates and that repayment of loan has been postponed for 1 year in view of the drought conditions. Letter dated 9th May 1985 from Messrs. Thomas and Company Limited, Annasalai, Madras to Messrs. Mani Brothers, Kamraj Salai, Madurai, Para. Dear Sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 6th instant together with a check for rupees 5,000 being the cost of stainless steel goods supplied by us. We enclose our stamped receipt for the same. Para. With regard to your requirements indicated in the enclosure to your letter, we would like to inform you that they will be sent to you during the course of next week. We are sorry that we are not in a position to dispatch them immediately as we have to meet some pending orders from other customers during this week. Para. You will find that the terms and conditions are more or less the same as for the stainless steel goods are concerned, and we hope they will be agreeable to you. In spite of these items being popular in the market, we are spending liberally towards advertisement and therefore we are sure there will be continuous demand for these products. We request your kind cooperation in this matter. Para. Hoping to hear from you at an early date. Yours faithfully.